Ready? Start. The property in question is a small part of a big land having a bungalow bearing the municipal number 4 Old Survey Road, Dehradun. Stop. This big property initially was sprawling in more than 20 bighas of land which was originally owned by Rani Padmati, inheriting the same after the death of her husband Maharaja Jagat Dev Singh. Stop. Since the area was not densely populated and this small piece of land was beside a canal and Rani Padmavati residing in her palatial building situated in such sprawling campus could not even soon notice as to which person has commenced living in one corner of such land after making the improvised arrangement for his dwelling. Stop. Since her only son Raja Shivratan Devi Singh had already passed away and she had done the marriage of her two daughters in the affluent families of Delhi, hence at the age of 70 years finding herself alone with the two grandsons, namely Raja Satish Devi, Ratish Dev and Raja Raman Dev, she executed a registered will dated 24/12/1975 bequeathing all her estate to these grandsons. Stop. She passed away on 22/10/1977. Stop. So this property was succeeded by these aforenamed grandsons. Stop. One of the grandsons, Raja Raman Dev, entered into an oral agreement in 1978 to sell his property to the owners of General Motors stores, and such agreement was reduced in writing on 21/1/1983, registered on 29/1/1983. Stop. One additional agreement was also written on 3/7/1985 in favor of R.K. Ahuja and one partner of General Motors, and this agreement was also got registered on 12/7/1985. Stop. As the second brother Raja Ratish Dev, feeling annoyed with making the aforementioned agreement on the part of his brother Raja Raman Dev, so he instituted an original suit number 64 of 1990 for partition against his brother and also impleaded Mr. Ahuja as well. Stop. It was decreed on 6/2/1990. Stop. Partition took place between both these brothers. Stop. Respective shares of both were demarcated. Stop. This way, now Mr. Raman Dev became the absolute owner of his own part, and through his power of attorney dated 10/4/1990, Govind Ahuja executed the registered sale deed on 28/9/1991 in favor of Dr. Rahul Khanna. Stop. Dr. Rahul Khanna revoked the license of Sukhram by sending a registered notice on 18/6/1995, which was duly served on him 26/1995. Stop. By this notice, Sukhram was asked to vacate the property in question. Stop. When such notice could not render any positive response, then this original suit number 200 of 1995 was instituted by Dr. Khanna, resident of Varanasi. Hence, the executed this power of attorney dated 3/9/1994 for the purpose of Miss Verma, a resident of Dehradun town, launched the suit on 12/9/1995 after asking Mr. Sukhram's eviction from the support in question and recovery of possession.